In this tutorial, we'll go over one of the most important features in Loocey, one-click copy, which copies all solicitation details and organizes it into the CRM bidding board with a single click. Let's get started. In this example, we'll go to RFQs list, select our pre-saved view called Simple RFQs, then check the most recent RFQs in this list. We can do that by checking the posted date. Then, let's select 3 RFQs and click Open our Copy to Bidding Board feature and click on Copy. System now copies all the information from the RFQ, including approved sources and parts, and organizes the data in the CRM section. Note, if you select many at once, it may take a few moments to copy them. This single-click action does so much work in the background, which is why it takes a bit of time. And don't worry about duplicates, as the system will first check and skip any RFQs that you've already copied before. Once it's done, it'll display a quick message at the top to show you how many copied and how many were duplicates. Note that the copy feature also automatically marks the records as viewed, so if we simply refresh the page, we'll see that the blue dots are no longer there for the items we copied. This is another way to help you stay organized. By the way, we can filter out viewed records if we choose to, but we have a separate video that goes over that feature. Check in the description for the link. Next, let's go back to our bidding board. We should now see the newly copied RFQs. We can right-click and open in a new tab, or click on Open Item icon to open the RFQ in detail view. As you can see, it not only copied all the details from the RFQ, but also automatically copied the approved sources and made them suppliers in our CRM and placed them in the supplier quotes section. If we already had the suppliers in our CRM, it'll simply link them here and show you the most updated record for the supplier, including the quoting status, email, website, and more. Now, we can request quotes from the suppliers listed. Let's also check the Product Details tab. As you can see, most of the data is already populated, and all we have to do is fill in the missing fields. Again, all this data came over with a single-click copy, which is why one-click copy is one of the most powerful features of Loocey DLA. This concludes our tutorial, but be sure to also check our Getting Started tutorial for more in-depth training on the entire RFQ process in Loocey. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.